All right, guys, so you want to take a screenshot in After Effects. It's a little bit more complicated than Premiere, but it's still very easy. I'll show you in just a couple seconds. So you would think that it's this little take snapshot button, but it actually does a completely different feature in After Effects. This is how you would do the screenshot in Premiere Pro. But here, all we've got to do is go to Composition. First line up your frame, obviously, and then go to Composition, go to Save Frame As, and File. And in there, it will default as a Photoshop file. You just click on that, and then you can select the format that you want to export as. In this case, I do want transparency on this because it is a PNG, so I'm going to go with PNG sequence. You can pick JPEG sequence or any other type of sequence that you like, but we're going to go with PNG sequence, hit OK. That's going to add it to our render queue here. You just hit render. You can select the output of where you want it to go. I'm going to hit render, hit OK. There it goes. There's our PNG. That's how fast and simple it is to get a screen grab from your After Effects file. And as you can see, this is our file here, our face cutout here with the transparent background. And that's it. That's how simple it is to export this from After Effects. Hopefully this helped you. If it did, give me a nice fat like, leave a comment down below that it helped you or what you'd like to see next, and see you on the next one.